Hey, it's Richard Van Slyke here again, and guess what time it is? It's time for another Sprezza Box unboxing. Style delivered. Okay, this month I opted to pick something as opposed to just letting them randomly send me something because I'm finding a lot of repeat stuff. So I chose a cold weather box, which for California, maybe not the wisest choice, but nice to have anyway. So here we go. I already kind of know what's in here, but it's been a few weeks since I selected, so let's see. Sprezza Men's Bold Stripes. I think we got another pair of socks is what we got here, but these are kind of fun. I actually like these. Okay. And a pair of striped gloves. Because, you know, lots of cold weather and snow here in Los Angeles. And then I also got a scarf. Ooh, it's soft. Really soft. I like it. Ooh, I like this. I kind of like this. It's really soft. I'm digging it. What else? What else we got? Receive 50% off Basic Man Premium Quality Basics delivered monthly starting at $19.99. Yeah, okay, whatever. And some gift cards. The thing with these gift cards are that they're like $1 or a percentage off of something as opposed to actually getting you something for real. Here's one, a gift from Vincero Watches $50 gift card. $50 off any watch order over $100. I don't think I'll be using that. Nice, but no. And a special gift for you, a $100 wine voucher towards nakedwines.com. Claim within 30 days. That's it. That's this week's box. This is really soft. I like this. I will be using this when I go back east. Hopefully next Christmas holiday season. All right, that's it for now. Bye.